G'day. Well, we finally got some rain out this way, and it's opened up a bit of access to a few holes for the kayak, which I'm pretty excited about. The flies are horrendous. You'll probably get a lot of footage of that rather than fish today, but anyway, I'm going to throw a bit of top water a bit later on, but for starters I made this little fella, just a little crankbait. She's got a beautiful little wobble to it, so fingers crossed I can break it in today. So enough with the talking, and I'll go run this fella along this little rock wall up here and see what we can turn up. Zang. Oh, there we go. Yeah, little cod. All right. Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Here we go. On the board. De-virginizing the virgin. Oh. Settle, mate, settle, settle. Yeah. There we go. Little tack. Doesn't worry me the size, I'm just after numbers today. How good's that? Beautiful little fella. You are a legend, mate. Thank you. I don't think it would have picked it up on the head camera, but 2 casts before that I got slammed right at... Yeah, he belted it right at the kayak. Thanks, little mate. I'm stoked. I don't think I've ever been so happy to catch a cod. Oh. So that's what it feels like to catch a fish. It's been that long. And broke her in. That's the main thing I'm happy about. Awesome. See if we can find another one. I guess there could be another one along there. I'll have a go anyway. Oh, I'm so glad to break in that lure. So pumped. Righto, I'll move on. That was lucky. There we go. He is there. Little fella. Oh. Another little tack on that wobbler I made. He's going good today. 2. It's a long skinny fella again. Beautiful little fish. Pumped. How good is that? Thanks, champ. Ooh, he's gone. Alright. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So good. Let's get another one. Hopefully I'll get one off the top at some stage today. I've been throwing a top water first and then running my lure behind it. So I've got every chance to get one off top. Anyway, we keep going. Get another. I'm having a ball. Well, that's her. She's in the ute heading home. My tail between my legs. I thought it was going to be a real mad session getting those 2 little fellas on the board quick, and then she just nothing. But yeah, I mainly just wanted to give that lure a swim and see if the cod like it, and they do, so pretty happy with that. So I'm going to have to make a few more. But if you guys want to see how to make a few like the swim baits and surface stuff I make, just hit me up in the comments, and if I get enough questions about it, I'll probably make a video and help you out a bit if I can. But yeah, I'm getting out for a hunt this weekend, so hopefully I'll have a bit of hunting footage coming as well. But anyway, that's her, and I'll catch you on the next one.